The first part of the question asks us to write an equation for the line tangent to the graph of f at x equals 1/2. So first we have to find the y value of f at 1/2. And you plug that into the equation and you get 1. Then you have to solve for the slope. And to do that, you first must find the derivative of f. So when you do that, you get 24x squared. Then you have to plug 1/2 into your equation for the derivative, and when you do that, you get 6. Now you can write your equation, and you should end up with y minus 1 equals 6 times x minus 1/2. Question B asks us to find the area of R, which is the region between the graphs f of x and g of x. The area equals the integral from 0 to 1/2 of g of x minus f of x dx. When you plug in your values for f of x and g of x, you get the integral from 0 to 1/2 of sine of pi times x minus 8x cubed dx. Then you have to find the antiderivative, and when you do that, you get negative 1 over pi times cosine of pi times x minus 2x to the 4th from 0 to 1/2. Then you have to subtract when you have 1/2 equal to x minus 0 equal to x. When you solve for that, you get negative 1/8 plus 1 over pi. And that is your answer. Part C asks us to write an integral expression for the volume of the solid generated when r is rotated about the horizontal line y equals 1. The equation for the area of a circle is pi times r squared. When the graph is revolved around the line y equals 1, it forms a washer, so you have to do the difference of two radii. The big radius is 1 minus f of x, and the small radius is 1 minus g of x. So what you have to do is you take the big radius, square it, minus the smaller radius, and square that, and you plug that into an integral. So what you have is the area equals pi times the integral from 0 to 1/2 of 1 minus f of x, quantity squared, minus 1 minus g of x, quantity squared, dx. Plug in your values for f of x and g of x, and you should end up with pi times the integral of from 0 to 1/2 of 1 minus 8x cubed, quantity squared, minus 1 minus sine of pi times x squared dx. And that is your answer.